Namaste. Independence Day. This Independence Day 2020 Independence Day is one of the unforgettable day for me. This day made a lot of changes in my mindset. So I have seen a person almost from 14 years, and from today or from yesterday he will not come in blue jersey. So it's a heartbreaking moment for me. When I was seeing that post in the TV channel, I am not serious about it. I'm thinking that it's just a joke, because I can see a lot of TV channels almost a year back itself they started telling this, but I was not sure about it. But the confirmation news came up from all the status, all the Facebook status and all the WhatsApp status and all. Then I am completely blank. I almost couldn't talk even. I think you know what I'm talking about. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I'm going to talk about my inspiration. It is number 7. I think you know, if you are a fan of him, then you can easily relate it. I have already made a video regarding my favorite cricketer. So yesterday it is about bidding a farewell to him just through Twitter. So it is one of the heartbreaking moments for me. So he is none other than the greatest captain of India, and he will be Mr. Cool, Mahibhai and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Number 7. I call him number 7 always. So that is a heartbreaking moment for me. I am a great fan. It's not about great fan itself. He is one of my inspiration. How he came from a very small town and he created history. So he is one of my inspiration, and I loved the way he actually carried the team. And he carried himself. That's what the major thing is. Whenever problem comes, we will be so hurry, we will be running here and there. A lot of things happens, but still he carried with calmness. So that is where MSD or Mahibhai is someone else. No one can actually replace him. So next Sachin may come, next Kohli may. This actually got a lot of comments regarding a lot of people can come again, they can be resembled, but once lifetime person can be Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I am a fan. I know that some people, there are some critics even telling he will be selfish. Yeah, whatever it is, for me he is an inspiration. So August 15th 2020 is one of the, I don't know what actually made this to 2020 like this, but horrible 2020. But horrible made me learn a lot of lessons. Anyhow, congratulations Dhoni for taking the step, and you are going to start the second innings of your life probably, and I believe and I pray for having a great life ahead. So I believe that one day I want to meet you. I have a lot of dream of meeting you at least once. So if you have watched my video, fortunately, unfortunately, I want to meet you. It's my dream. Thank you Dhoni. It's not a single thank you is enough for you. I believe so. It's a lot of things, because you inspired a person, a boy who came from a small town. So that is where he is standing before you. So that is what that's what the impact you made on my life. Thank you Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Ortala number 7. Thank you for being one of the greatest players of cricket who transformed Indian cricket. Thank you once again, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.